What's up, Libra gang? It's your girl, Pretty Icy, and I'm back with another video. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that little notification bell. I'm reorganizing my bathroom under the cabinet. Put a before picture, and then I'll show you guys afterwards. This bathroom. Look at my bathroom. So this is before. This is before. So I'm back. So right now, all I'm gonna do right now is, you see, remove everything out of the remove everything from under the cabinet. And I'm gonna be adding chemicals to my cleaning supply, to my cleaning. Y'all look at my got to be spray. The finished product of removing. Y'all see all this debris and mold that need to be clean, baby. We finna clean this right now, hunty. Sister girl, we finna clean this right now. Cause that look disgusting from all the water. Maybe it was falling from here. I don't know. Do y'all think it was falling from here? Maybe it's coming from somewhere every time I turn the water on. I don't know. Comment down below what y'all think. Where it's coming from, here or here. Comment down below. Alright, so fix it. Okay guys, so right now I'm just wiping out all the soap. Give me that. This? No, the black one. You put it decorated? So guys, this is the under the shelf drawer liner, shelf and drawer liner. I received it from, I bought it from Dollar Tree. At your local Dollar Tree, you will find it. They have different designs, but this one stuck out to me better because my bathroom is like flowers. So this really stuck out to me better. Look at the scissors. You could just go get the scissors. So y'all gotta see how to do it. So that's my first time. That'll be my first time. So here we go. Hi guys. So now guys, all I'm doing is just cutting it down the line so I can put it right up under. So how was y'all day? My day was great so far. Like, what y'all like to do in y'all spare time? Like, comment down below what y'all like to do.
Oh, I gotta go check on her.
Give her a pacifier.
Yeah.
Y'all, it is cut and pretty. So y'all, let's get into taking this off. I really don't know how to do it. Y'all bear with me because y'all know this is my first time. This should be our first time doing this. Yeah. This is my first time doing this. Ooh, y'all, look, it's off. Ooh. Ooh. Y'all, look. So y'all, right now, I'm just gonna place it in there. How I cut it, and that's how we're gonna do it.
You go like that.
So right now, guys, I'm just trying to smooth it out so it can be pretty. Y'all, give me a second. So far, it's pretty. Get into it, pretty. So I'll get back with you when I'm finished. Guys, don't mind cracking the dough. You know, don't mind cracking the dough. But I'm back, baby. And the product is finished. All I'm waiting for now that it is my under the cabinet organizers from Amazon. And when they come, baby, just a note, y'all gonna see the pretty finished product. But I'm gonna just show y'all how I laid the product down or whatever. Y'all get into it, baby. Like I said, who could go wrong with $1.25 at Dollar Tree, baby? You gotta shop on a budget. Everything getting expensive, baby. You gotta shop on a budget. You feel me, sis? Shop on a budget. This is the finished product, you guys. It's clean and nice. Y'all know I tried to get this out, but it will not come out. But this is the finished product. Comment if I should put it on the side, because I'm thinking I should put it on the side so it don't look so plain. But comment if I should put it on the side so it could be everything could be black and white flowers. Y'all see my curtain? That's why. Y'all see everything in here? Black and white, colorful. But under the cabinet, it don't matter. Because, baby, the organizer is going to be black. And that's to organize everything, like my bottles and stuff, under my cabinet. But for now, we just going to keep this right here, baby. So get into it. And I'll be back to show y'all the finished product. I'm just getting started. So this is part 1 of the video. Part 2 is coming soon. So guys, what's up, Libby Gang? I'm back with part 2 of the video, so stay tuned. My package arrived. As you all know, Amazon. Now, all I'm doing is just opening the package.
Can I help?
Y'all, look at the pretty box.
Mommy, can you do a
My other stuff came. We're gonna put it together.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna place it in the bathroom. Place it under the sink.
Wow.
These are all the pieces. So I'll be back when the product is put together. So pretty. Colors matching, baby. Get into it. And I'll be back when it is complete. Completed look. As y'all can see, I mixed it with my cleaning and my hair products. Don't judge me, but at the top, you can see I have my toilet cleaners. I have my disinfectant spray. I have my shower cleaner. I have Ajax, Fabuloso, and Lysol. And then to the bottom, y'all know I have the braider spray for the magic fingers oil sheen. The Got to Be the leave-in conditioner and detangler spray for kids, and the scalp oil for kids. Also, right on the right side, I have my blow dryer. I have multi-purpose cleaner. I have ammonia. And then I have a thing of bleach. And yeah, that is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what y'all want to see next.